You're looking pretty tall today.
And?
So, what are we cooking in this video?
Something sweet.
Something sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, can you give me a better clue?
Crema catalana.
Crema catalana. Is that like crème brûlée?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Crema catalana is the version of crème brûlée from the Catalan region of Spain, and very similar to the French dessert. Two important differences. Do you know? I can see you're interested in what I'm saying. Two important differences. Do you know what they are?
Yeah.
Crema catalana is made with milk, not cream. Crème brûlée tends to be cooked in the oven. Crema catalana on the stove. And there's a few more ingredients in crema catalana. Let's get on with the recipe.
I think so. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
So, we need some ingredients.
What are the ingredients?
Milk. 500 millilitres of milk.
You need a lot of milk. Okay, that's it. That's
Brilliant. Okay, put it in a saucepan.
Now,
Now we need to add a few other ingredients.
like
Let's get a lemon.
catch.
Oh, gosh! So, what we need to do with this lemon is peel off about 4 or 5 strips of lemon peel. The important thing with lemon peel is not to have the white stuff in. The white stuff is the stuff that will make it bitter. So, and it's split in half, but that doesn't matter. And you take off all the scrape that with the white stuff, so you get rid of all the bitter stuff. And then we keep doing this, another 4 or 5 pieces in total. Depends how big the strips are.
Lemon, 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 lemon.
So the lemon goes in. Okay, and what's next, Flavio?
Eggs?
Nope. Next, cinnamon.
I knew that. Cinnamon.
In the cinnamon goes.
1, 2.
Beautifully positioned. Next, we need vanilla. Okay, so we're going to use half of vanilla, and in order to really infuse the flavour, you need to make sure that seeds are all scraped when you put it in.
What do you mean scrape? Like taken out?
Yeah. But taken out, but put in the pot. Like so, and drop it all in. Then onto the other one, scribble like so, scribble like so. So all the seeds is what gives it the flavour, and then like that. Okay, Flavio, we got all the ingredients in there. It's now time to stir the pot. Where are you? Oh, you're not on the chocolate again.
Yeah, chocolate.
What are we eating this time?
Fiesta.
Okay, how good is it?
9 out of 10.
Pretty good. When you're finished with the chocolate, do you want to come and help me stir the pot?
Alright.
So we want to heat the pot on a medium heat. Because if you heat it too hot, it's going to spill over and curdle. So you heat it gently, stirring all the time. And what you do is you just bring that to a gentle simmer.
Bubble, 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 bubble. No.
So.
It's bubbling!
My bubbles, my bubbles.
No.
Eggs. We need 5 eggs.
Yes. Yeah.
What we now need to do
Those eggs are going to be laughing.
is take
They're going
these...
to be cracking up.
These eggs are going to be cracking up. We now need to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. And we're going to be using the egg yolk. We don't really want to use the egg white. The egg white you can keep and use for something like meringues. But if you're going to use the egg white for meringues, you must not have any bit of yolk at all in there. Otherwise you won't be able to make meringues. So if you're going to save the egg white for something like that, take care to not put any egg yolk in the egg white, and that's why I've got 3 bowls to make sure this happens.
So like one is the shell, one is the yolk, and one is the...
No, one is the... So one is for the egg white, like so. One is for the egg yolk, which is what we need. Doesn't matter too much if you have egg white in there, but it does matter you don't have egg yolk in the egg white if you're saving it. And then you put the egg white in another bowl and do the same with the next egg. So if you do accidentally get a bit of egg yolk in there, it doesn't pollute all the other eggs. 2 eggs up. And we put that one in there. Okay, so we need 4 tablespoons of sugar.
There's more sugar than egg.
Yeah, but we're going to add something else. What are we going to add?
That means there'll be more sugar, and what else we're going to add than egg?
Yep. And now what are we going to add?
I know.
Milk. So we put in how much milk?
100 milliliters.
100 milliliters. Next, we need some corn flour. Well, corn flour.
Corn starch.
But all you Americans out there, and anyone that's not from the UK or Australia, will know it as cornstarch. In the UK, we call it corn flour. And it's to help thicken up the custard. One level tablespoon. Okay, not too much. That's enough. That's enough. Beautifully done. Then stir it. Stir it. Stir it.
Or not.
Okay, get another spoon. Someone else will do the washing up.
What?
Okay. You stir it so the corn flour is all dissolved. We pour the corn flour and milk in with the eggs and then whisk until all the eggs are all mixed up and it looks lovely and yellow. Now we need to sieve the custard.
What do you mean sieve the custard?
You need to get rid of the cinnamon stick, the vanilla and the lemon peel because it should have all infused if you leave it for about half an hour or so. Now the egg mixture with the cornstarch goes in to the milk, which should be fairly cool because it's been left for some time.
It's cool.
Now we need to stir it, and now this is the important bit. We need to put it back on the heat to heat everything up, but it must not heat too vigorously. Otherwise you're going to get scrambled egg in milk. So you need to stir it all the time. And we mean all the time. So put...
Technically, I fall asleep.
So put the heat...
I want to read a book, but I keep stirring. I want to eat, but I keep stirring. Can I have some water?
Nope, you've got to stir.
I'll stir at the same time.
Nope. Focus on the stirring. Stir, 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 stir. Keep on stirring, keep on stirring, keep on stirring, keep on stirring. As you can see, it's looking a little bit like a custard now, and the way you can look, it actually really has quite thickened up now. Suddenly it happened. And if you look like that, look, that is what you want. Oh, so good. That is a custard.
Ooh. Mmm. Good.
H for holy moly, that's good.
Recording.
So as soon as the custard's done, into the ramekins, like so. One important thing left to do
is blowtorch.
Yep, but we need to wait until they've set in the fridge for about 4 hours.
Finally,
The crema catalana
is ready.
Out of the fridge and it's looking good. It's ready for
Blowtorch.
the blowtorch and the sugar. So, Flavio, how are you feeling?
Bad. I fell into a bush while the crema catalana was waiting.
He did fall into a bush. So when you're doing the crema
And I
catalana,
hurt myself.
and he hurt himself, we had to take thorns out of his feet. So this is dangerous. Just be warned, when you do a crema catalana, make sure you don't fall into a thorn bush. Very, very important. Health and safety. Okay, so we need 2 teaspoons. We put a little bit of sugar, so let's try one. Sprinkle it. All over.
I know how.
Oh, that's brilliant, that's beautiful. Actually, 1 teaspoon, probably plenty. Okay.
You have to always keep it moving, otherwise it'll burn the thing.
It's kind of caramelising there. Yeah, you can see it caramelising.
Probably need some more sugar.
I think actually what it needs is more gas. Yeah, look at that. You could, yeah, that's perfect, look.
No, I think we need more sugar.
Possibly need a bit more sugar. Now, if you don't have one of these little things, you can do this under the grill. Just put it under the grill on a very hot heat and you'll get a similar effect, but the blowtorch is much easier. And creme brulees are complete. Let's eat. Look at that. And now Flavio's going to crack it and see if the shell breaks. Just hit it. Oh, look at that. Look, perfect. Perfect. Do you want to taste?
No, I just want to leave it. Of course I do. Really good. And don't forget to like and subscribe.